Hi, in this video, we will explore how you can add CirQlive Meets, integrating Zoom web conferencing with Desire2Learn as an external learning tool. First, you need to create an entry for the external learning tool on the admin settings. Go to the top right of your screen and select External Learning Tools. Create a new link. Enter Meets as a title and enter the URL given to you by your CirQlive account manager. Ensure visibility is set to allow users to view this link. In the Key and Secret section, select Sign Messages with Key Secret and link Key Secret. Enter the key and secret given to you by your CirQlive account manager. In the security settings, ensure that the following checkboxes are selected. Send tool consumer information to tool provider. Send context information to tool provider. Send user ID to tool provider. Send username to tool provider. And send user email to tool provider. Finally, under Make Link Available To, select Add Org Units. Search for or scroll down to your top level org unit. This is generally the name of your university. Once you find it, ensure the checkbox is checked and that the All Descendants option is selected. After this is done, click Insert. The org units display will now show a message indicating that the link will be available to all org units under your top level unit. Click Save. Once you save, a new entry for Meets will appear in the External Learning Tools list. Next, we need to create a custom link for Meets on the admin settings. When logged in as an administrator, select Navigation and Themes from the Admin Tools drop-down on the top right of any page. Under the Custom Links tab, click the Create Link button. For a name, enter Meets. Select the Share with Child org units checkbox. For URL, click on the Insert Quick Link button. Select External Learning Tools from the pop-up. Select Meets from the pop-up. If you gave the tool a different name than Meets in Stage 1, then this drop-down will contain that name instead. There will now be a relative URL in the URL field. Important: this partial URL will need to be converted to an absolute URL. Failing to complete this step will result in Meets LTI launching incorrectly. To convert the relative URL to an absolute one, prefix the relative URL with a protocol and the main portion of your Desire2Learn site's URL. Finally, ensure that the behavior dropdown is set to same window, and then click the Save button. There will now be an entry for Meets in the Custom Links list. We can now add Meets to the course default navbar. On the Navigation and Themes page, under the Navbars tab, click on the course default entry to edit it. On the Navbar editor page, click Add Links for the Navbar section to which you wish to add a Meets link. For simplicity, we recommend adding it to the bottom right section. Select Meets from the pop-up and click Add. Once Meets has been added to the list of navbar links, it can be dragged to wherever in the navbar you wish it to appear. After positioning Meets as desired, click Save and Close. There will now be a link to Meets appearing in the navbar of any course page using the default navbar, giving users direct one-click access to the Meets platform. If any courses are using navbars other than the default navbar, the previous stage will need to be repeated for each custom navbar on which you wish to display a Meets link. Now that Meets has been added to the navbar page, users can easily access CirQlive Meets, enabling them to use Zoom web conferencing from within the Desire2Learn environment. In order to start using Zoom, all teachers need to do is access the Edit Credentials page once. This will enable Meets to connect to their Zoom account. Contact CirQlive for more information on how you could use Zoom with Desire2Learn.